close set eyes, up growing lashes. We will make Wispy Classic full set. So first of all, we will brush her lashes, and our client is already cleaned her lashes with a baby shampoo. So now I'm separating upper and bottom lashes with my patches and tape. Our girl is ready for lash extension. I use tape for working with outer corners for each of my clients. Doesn't matter if I work with down growing lashes or up growing lashes, it's just my comfortable. I get used to it. So I love to make spikes on classic full set. It make lashes more fuller and look more natural. So first of all, I'll put spikes. This girl has very long lashes, and my spikes will be 14 length, 3 lashes per 1 spike. It's like a closed fan. I'll put spikes only on outer part of eyes, like just 75% of her eyes will be with spikes. I put 14 like 2/5 lash after in the outer corner, and then like couple of 14s too. Then I'll put spikes, one spike 13, then 12, then 11, and then 10, because I want to make fox effect for this girl. Classic is very popular now. For me, classic it's like regular classic and wax wet effect. If my client want to create more dramatic look, but you need to know that wet effect had not such a good retention like regular classic, because wet effect lashes are more weighty for natural lashes. So I already did spikes, and I'm working between spikes. I'm gluing just classic 0.1 lashes between spikes. Now I'm gluing 13, because I don't want to make really dramatic spikes. I just do this for more natural look for my client. So I still gluing 13s, and my spikes are 14. My client has very sensitive eyes, that's why I try work without artificial light. Sorry, you see a lot of videos with only my hair and my head, but I do this video only by myself. I have no any assistance. That's why I'll try to answer any of your questions. I'll answer to each of your questions in the comment if you have them. So half of your eye will be with spikes 14 and with main layer 13. You need to extend each of your natural lashes. When girls ask me about very full lashes, very good volumes, even if I make 2D or even classic, the only one secret is to extend each of natural lashes of my client. Okay, now I'm ready to put 12s. You see, half of eyelid is the longest link. You see new spikes. New spikes are 13, then 12, and then 11 in the inner corner, and 10 the last ones. Okay, now my spikes are ready, and I'm just gluing classics between them. Okay, and the main layer will be 1 millimeter less than spikes. So now I'm gluing 12. I never do lash map because I work with each eyes on the same time. That's why I have absolutely same quantity of lashes on each eye, and it's the best map. And it's better to even lashes than if I'll make lash map. My girl has a lot of natural lashes. She has oily skin, and if your client has very oily skin, especially if she has like hooded eyelids, you need to tell her never put eye cream on the eyelids, and try to ask her to clean her lashes every day with baby shampoo, and you need to prepare lashes with alcohol twice. So now I'm gluing lashes to the inner corner. To the inner corner I glue 7s. It will make more neat work, more beautiful work. Usually I put not more than 2 or 3 7s in the inner corner. Sometimes if I make wax effect, I can put 5 or 6 7s in my inner corners. So like it depends of length of natural lashes. This girl has long lashes, so I did only 2. Put it and then just fill in eyelids between spikes, 1 millimeter longer than spikes. Just fill in step by step, even to very short, very thin lashes. You can go ahead and extend each of them, because classic 0.1 lashes are not weighty, and you can glue absolutely all of them. It's not volumes, it's not mega volumes. I love to use tape in the inner corner, especially for girls with very sensitive eyes, and you need to check if your client still closed her eyes, because it's very important. We don't want to damage her eyes during this procedure. You need to avoid red eyes, but sometimes, especially a client wear contacts, they will be red even if her eyes are not hurts. Okay, that's how I make classic wispy effect fox map. Fox map, it's because my client has closed set eyes. This is my gorgeous client with the results. Do you like it? Text me on the comments, please. See you on my next video. Bye bye.